Hello everyone, Barry Anderson here from Trade Ideas with the stock of the day, and today it is SPRT. And this came from the AI from I'm just going to show you where the alert happened. Oops, get the screen over here. You can see there is the alert, 1604 to short. There was your stop. It's at 1430 right now. You can see right there, that's a down arrow telling you suggested short for SPRT. So if you're familiar with SPRT, you know that it has been a high flyer. Let's just take a look at it on a monthly chart. You can see last month it got insanely up to $60. So I guess what they're doing is they're affecting a merger tomorrow. The new symbol will be GREE, but the market is showing no love whatsoever for this, okay? So SPRT is just getting absolutely hammered here. I mean, it's down 25%, $4.80. Again, this will stop trading, I think, tomorrow as SPRT, and the new symbol will be GREE. But again, the market is showing absolutely no love for this whatsoever. So that is definitely the stock of the day. To short SPRT from our AI at 1604, and at this point you're up about, if you're in, you know what, this is pretty easy too. Other than that little move up here and that topping tail, it's been basically steadily down. In fact, that's where the alert happened. So it probably popped up and then it came right back down. So this has been really steady all the way down. And as we speak, that's a 10% gain. All right, everybody, I want to get back into our trading room. There were a lot of other ones that I could have looked at, but I thought I'd show you this one from the AI because especially a lot of people know SPRT. It's been a WSB, a Wall Street bet stock in the past. And we'll have to see what happens tomorrow when it starts trading as GREE. All right, I want to get back into the room. Any questions for me, you can use this email address. I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern Time. Hope to see you then. Bye-bye.